sections which are related to assets. What we have right here is the asset which we can import it here, such a 3D model or as a texture, for example. If you want to have texture here in Unreal, you need to import the textures here as instance. Here at this section, I want to create a material. I need to add the new texture here in textures folder, and to doing this you can have a right click here and again import. Then you can have your texture here. For example, I select a picture here, this one for example, copy and paste it here to have a different name, A1. I select it and then open. The texture will be imported here. When you see this star in some items, it shows that it's not saved yet. Here you can have save all to save them. So whatever you need here in Unreal, first you need to import them, if it's possible to be imported. So these are some assets which can be imported. Right click here. From here, basic asset, till here, these are the assets of the Unreal. For example, when you want to have blueprint, or when you want to create levels or material, or for example Niagara system, which is really professional in version 5, and other items here. All of these items are the assets of Unreal as defaults. So when we want to import some assets, it can be possible here, and others which are in Unreal are here. And here we have Quixel. I mean, you can download some assets. It was possible in version 4, but in previous version you had to install the plugin. But here in version 5, it's a part of Unreal. Here it is, Quixel Bridge, selected. This is an asset, but it's related to Unreal and Epic Game Company. So the download will be directly and it will be categorized. Here at the top, it will create a folder here, Megascan, and they will be there as instance. Here, first of all, you need to sign in. Then here at this part, for example, surface, a material, for example, which you are looking for, or geometry in 3D plans, or here, crop. Which one you like, you can select. If you think you're gonna use it a lot, you can add it to your favorites. Then you can have this item in your favorite list here. When I click, you can see my favorite objects here. I can select it again. And then here you can consider a quality. Here I'm gonna select high set quality, and here we have a setting. I click. Here you can control the parameters and elements and other things, but some of them has this possibility of denied. I talk about them later, but I just want you to know that this is possible just for some of them. As you can see, some of them doesn't have it like this one. Here I select high set, then I click on this icon here, download. You need internet connection and you need to wait for it to be downloaded. When it's done, you can click on add here and it will import it automatically to the project. And this downloads here will be saved in your My Documents path, and you can go in that path and move it to other path. In this way, you can import it to other projects and use it, and you'll not have to download it again. Here, My Document in your system. Here it is, Megascan, right here. Megascan library, download, and asset, Unreal asset. After download, they will be here. Now we need to wait for it.